Hi, in this video I'm going to explain what I have done for the ICP 6 of Python. So in this lesson we have learned how learned the basics of clustering, only one clustering algorithm, that is K-means algorithm, and we know how to find the PCA value of the. So in this part we have got 4 questions and 2 bonus questions. In the first part, so for that I have done coding in PCA. So in that first part uh, we have read the data using this pandas library, and in the first part it was asked like we need to remove the null values. So for finding the null values I have written this. So I just run this. So if you can see, like, these are the null values I got. Like for credit limit we have one null value, and for the minimum payments we have 313 null values. So for removing those null values I have used this variable fill na data.min, such that whenever we found a null value, those null values will be replaced by the mean values, and after that we can see that there are no null values here. And in the first question we were asked to find the best number of good number of clusters using the elbow method. So it has got 17 columns, so we have taken 17 columns, and I have taken the range from 1 to 11. We can take any, like 1 to 5 or 1 to 6 or whatever it might be. So I have taken, for good precision I took it as 11. So by using that k-means algorithm, will be just finding the suitable number of clusters. So I just ran this code. So based on the graph which I have got, I have came to a conclusion. Like, if you can see, like after 3 the slope of the graph is same. So that's why I have taken a 3 as good number of clusters, and I have forwarded to the next question. So in this I need to find the Silhouette score. So for that we have I first took this cluster number as 3, and uh, I have done the calculations to get the Silhouette score. And in the third question I was asked to do scaling and then find the Silhouette score. So for that I have done feature scaling, and I have found that Silhouette score after scaling. So if you can see, like before the score was 0.46, and after scaling it was like 0.22. There was pretty decrease in the Silhouette score. And coming to the fourth part, I was asked to find out the PCA for this. So I have just taken only 2 features. We can take like 3 or 4, whatever wish. And regarding that bonus question, first part I need to do k-means and then find the PCA score. PCA score is nothing but the Silhouette score after scaling. So for that also I have taken the clusters as 3, and the PCA score, I have found out the PCA score using after doing k-means. That's PCA score. And in the second part I have added scaling for that. So for that I have removed, in the first part I have taken x as the data set, but here I have taken x scalar because x scalar is scaled data. So with this also I have found out the score. So if you can see both the scores, it's 0.4534 and it's 0.4530. There is a slight difference, and even I have plotted a graph for that. So if you can see, this is the graph for that. And thank you.